Every day, every person in the world is giving the same amount of time to do something worthy.
Something either ordinary or unique.
We all have the power to decide.
It's just up to us to make the right decisions.
Every day, it's about decisions.
Decisions that keep us in the same place,
Doing the same things. Or decisions that contribute to build up our lives.
those decisions are challenging.
And for sure, they are taking us to places, faces and experiences we don't know. It's up to us. Remember,
You are the owner of the time you're given.
you can decide now and find out where it's going to be your next challenge.